Like and subscribe for more great videos. Time for my little friend. Oh yeah, I have the best pencil in school.
What? I'll show you a real pencil.
We'll see about that.
Huh? Don't make me laugh. Look at this.
No way! I'll prove that tiny pencils are cooler than giant ones. Let's just split these toothpicks in half and paint them. And there we go! The tiniest pencils ever are ready! Have you ever seen anything like these?
Cool. Let me see.
Careful!
Save yourself!
That was close. Huh? What's this? Alright then.
Good morning, class. Wait, can you hear me? That's it. Hey!
Huh?
Let's get started.
Oh.
Ready for a tiny lesson?
I'm ready. I've got my tiny pencils. And even a tiny notebook.
Not bad. And you, young man? Just a second. This should work. Let's fold this piece of paper like this. Then bend this corner and flip it over. It should make a square like this. Now let's keep folding to make something like an envelope. It should come together just like this. Add another one on top. Great! Now let's take a piece of paper in a different color and slide it in like this. Now insert a couple of thin straps, like this. Add some details, and decorate it with a sticker on the back. There! The tiny backpack is done! Check it out! Look, teacher, what do you think? Oh, yeah. Great job! Phew.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
Alright, now give me your notebooks. Hey! Watch out! Ah!
Oops. Sorry.
You almost crushed me!
I know what to do. Here.
Oh, I getcha. First, let's fold one half of the paper. And then the other. Now flip it, open it up, and make a crease along the sheet. We need to make several creases along it, like this. One half should have more creases. Now bend it in half, and fold each half to make an accordion shape. Now take a different color paper and fold it like this. Great! Now let's put both crafts together. Fit them in nice and tight. Let's hide a little note for the teacher. Now add a rubber band and a sticker. The tiny notebook is ready. What do you think?
Cool. Let's show the teacher.
Well, the size is right. And what's this? Oh, did you make this for me? You should. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Man, my certificates are ruined! Darn, what do I do now? Good thing I'm using a straw. Wait. That gives me an idea. Let's get to work. First, cut the straw like this. Now take a piece of paper and apply some glue. Stick a piece of straw on and add another one. Now paint it blue and cut it out. Attach a strip of foam to the top. And add a handle. Now let's take some white paper, roll it up like this, and paint it blue. Then take this circle and tie a piece of string to it. Trim it and add more strings. Close up the top and attach our previous craft. The cleaning kit is ready. We've got a mop and a bucket. Teacher, this should help you out. What? I made a mess on the desk, not the floor! Man, this is hot.
I have an idea! Let's take this box and make it checkered so it looks prettier. Now cut out a hole right here. And glue on a paper accordion. Slide it back in and add a sticker. This'll be an ice dispenser. Add a couple of cubes. And it's done! Cool! Hey teacher, look!
Huh? What do you have there? Let me take a closer look.
Whoa! I hope you like it!
Interesting. But what is it for?
Oh my gosh! Give me that!
Hey!
It's for adding ice!
Like this?
Exactly! Thanks!
Wonderful! Why does the ice keep coming out?
Oops. Sorry.
How about the mop after all? No thanks, it's fine. Let's continue the lesson. Huh? Oh, looks like it's time to pack up. Darn, I have so many books. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Oh, help!
Oh my. Let's play for it.
Rock, paper, scissors. Dang it.
You lost. He.
Alright, let's see what I've got. What if I gave you my lunch bag?
Are you crazy? It's way too big. First you have to fold the bag like this. And this. Now we need to make a few folds. Once all the folds are done, start folding it this way. First the sides, and then fold over the top. Now do the same thing on the other side. Let's add a handle for the bag. And decorate it with a sticker. There we go. I think this size will work.
Whoa, so stylish. Thanks. Let's try it out. Seems pretty spacious. There we go. Done. Perfect. I almost forgot about your grades.
I can't quite see it. An A+! Awesome! I'll clip it right here.
Me too. You both did a great job.
High five!
Oh, it's already time for chemistry. Follow me.
No one's looking, so now's my chance to get a snack. Ugh, why is this bag so difficult to open? Come on, I need snacks! Oh no! The bag's split in half! There go all my hopes and dreams for a tasty snack!
Hey look! Free candy! Let's get it!
Stop! That's my candy! Get out of here! Oh, there's one left for me! Oh, come on, are you kidding me? This is so frustrating. Oh gosh, everyone stole all her candy. Maybe I can help her. What the heck are you doing? Psst! Hey, I've got a solution to your candy problem. Take a look at this. It's my little piggy. Go on, push his nose. See? It's a candy dispenser. I'll show you how I made him. I started with some pieces of cardboard like this. Then I attached 3 more. Then I added this base piece. This next part requires more cardboard, of course. But also some small dowels. We need this shape, another dowel, and 2 small rubber bands. This is now ready to go inside the box we're building. It should fit easily. I'm gonna slide it down and hook the rubber band on these dowels here. I'm using some tweezers to help make it a little easier. Don't forget to set the rubber band on the other side too. Then I push it back and the candy slides right out. Great! Now let's cover it up and add some little ramps pointing down. We'll want to cover the front too so it's prettier. We're on the home stretch. I added this plastic case to hold the candy. And then a cute little lid so the candy doesn't spill everywhere. Look, it even pops open so you can put in more candy when needed. Ooh, look at how delicious it is. Close the lid and then it's time to add some decorations. Wow! First off, this candy's great. But secondly, that pig is so cute. Alright, I better scooch back over to my desk now. Vroom, vroom, vroom! I'm totally gonna win this race. No one can stop me now. Bye, Susan. I'll see you for our lunch next week. Gosh, what a fun afternoon. It's always nice hanging out with friends. Mom put her car keys right over there. Well, I guess I better start getting dinner ready. What if I… just sneak a little closer. She can't see me behind these flowers. What was that noise? It sounded suspicious. No one's there. Time to switch from flowers to this bigger fern. Yoink! Tiptoe, tiptoe, tippy-toe. I'm here! I got the car keys! Wow. Real cute. No! Not my baby! And not my car! Ugh, okay. I just need to do something else to get my car racing fix. I've got this piece of cardboard, so let me cut out some shapes. And now it's time to add some glue on top like this. And then the bottom. I'm gonna stick another matching piece on top. Good. And now I'll just do the same thing with the glue as before. Adding a third piece on top should do it. This one has no hole in the middle. What's the next step? More glue, of course. And then putting another piece of cardboard on that one too. There we go. That should finally be enough layers for this project. Now it's time to add some paint, because that's the most fun part. I really love this orange color. It's so bright and pretty. And done. I'm putting a phone case in there. I measured beforehand, so it's a perfect fit. We've got more cardboard pieces and more glue now. And of course we'll be putting them together for more layers. This next part is a bit tricky because I want this piece glued at an angle like so. And then I just need for it to dry. Once it does though, I can paint it. Time to put it all together. It'll just slide in place with this battery. Ta-da! I made my own steering wheel holder for my phone. Vroom, vroom! Yeah, I'm in first place! No one can catch me! This is the best game ever! And the best steering wheel, too! Vroom!